In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic business dashboard on Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to enhance your existing skills, this guide will provide you with an easy to follow approach to designing a professional and visually appealing dashboard in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar, usually found at the top center of the page. Type in Dynamic Dashboard and hit enter. This is your gateway to a myriad of customizable templates that Canva offers, specifically tailored for creating dynamic dashboards. Browsing through the selections, you'll see an array of templates available. These templates are designed to be visually engaging and can cater to various data visualization needs. Take your time to scroll through the choices. You want to select a template that best fits your business requirements. Perhaps you need a pie chart, a bar graph, or just a simple numeric dashboard to display your analytics. It's important to choose a design that aligns with the data you want to present. Once you've set your sights on a suitable template, click on it. A new window will pop up with the option to customize the template. Don't worry if the initial design doesn't have everything you want. Canva's tools are incredibly flexible. Go ahead and click Customize this template. This will open the template in Canva's design editor, where all the magic happens. Now let's get creative. The design editor in Canva is quite intuitive, and you'll see various elements such as text boxes, icons, and graphs that you can modify to your liking. Start by changing the text to reflect the specific data and information you want to present. Simply click on a text box and type in your own words. You can adjust the font style, size, and color through the top menu to ensure your dashboard is not just informative but also aesthetically pleasing. As you manipulate the template, feel free to upload your own images or company logo to personalize the dashboard further. You do this by clicking the Uploads tab on the left menu and selecting your files. If your data involves numbers or statistics, make sure to update any graphs or numbers to match your real data. Just click on the elements and input your figures. With these customizations, your dynamic dashboard will not only convey your business data effectively, but also capture attention with its design. Once you're satisfied with your dashboard, you can download it in your preferred format or share it directly with colleagues through Canva. And there you have it, a dynamic business dashboard crafted on Canva. I hope this guide was helpful and inspired you to tackle more creative projects. Thanks for watching.